Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, is a city that effortlessly blends historical charm with modern vibrancy. Spread across 14 islands and connected by 57 bridges, this enchanting city offers a plethora of attractions, rich heritage, delectable cuisine, and a unique travel experience. In this in-depth video, we will delve into the various aspects that make Stockholm a must-visit destination for travelers. Gamla Stan, the Old Town. No visit to Stockholm is complete without exploring Gamla Stan, the city's medieval heart. Cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and charming squares create a nostalgic ambiance. Visit the Royal Palace, the official residence of the Swedish monarchy, and witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Stroll through narrow alleys, browse boutiques for Scandinavian souvenirs, and enjoy a fika, Swedish coffee break, at a cozy cafe. Vasa Museum. Maritime history come alive. The Vasa Museum is a unique attraction that showcases the Vasa, a 17th century warship that sank on its maiden voyage and was salvaged after 333 years. The museum offers a captivating glimpse into maritime history, with the remarkably preserved ship as the centerpiece. Explore the interactive exhibits, learn about the ship's construction, and marvel at its ornate sculptures. Djurgården, island of museums and natural beauty. Djurgården, an island just a short ferry ride from the city center, is a haven for culture and nature enthusiasts. Visit the world-renowned Skansen Open-Air Museum, where historic buildings, traditional crafts, and Scandinavian wildlife come together. Explore the ABBA Museum, dedicated to the iconic Swedish pop group, or delve into Nordic art at the Fotografiska Museum. Enjoy a leisurely walk through Djurgården's lush parks and gardens, such as the beautiful Rosendal Garden. Stockholm Archipelago, island hopping paradise. With over 30,000 islands, the Stockholm Archipelago offers a breathtaking natural escape from the bustling city. Take a boat tour and discover the serene beauty of these picturesque islands, where red wooden cottages dot the coastline. Swim in crystal clear waters, go kayaking, or simply unwind amidst nature. Don't miss the opportunity to savor fresh seafood at a traditional archipelago restaurant. Swedish cuisine, a gastronomic delight. Stockholm's culinary scene is a treat for food lovers. Indulge in traditional Swedish dishes like meatballs with lingonberry sauce, gravlax, cured salmon, and herring prepared in various ways. Experience the flavors of new Nordic cuisine at Michelin-starred restaurants that showcase local and organic ingredients. Explore food markets like Östermalm Saluhall and Södermalm's street food scene for a diverse range of culinary delights. Modern architecture, a city of innovation. Stockholm boasts a stunning blend of historic architecture and contemporary design. Admire the unique silhouette of the City Hall, where the Nobel banquet takes place each year. Explore modern architectural gems such as the Stockholm Public Library and the stunning Ericsson Globe, the world's largest spherical building. The city's innovative design and sustainability initiatives are reflected in its numerous eco-friendly buildings and urban spaces. Swedish royalty and heritage. Immerse yourself in Sweden's royal heritage by visiting the Royal Palace and the Royal Armoury, which houses royal regalia and ceremonial attire. Explore the Drottningholm Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its magnificent gardens and Baroque architecture. Attend a performance at the Royal Swedish Opera or the Royal Dramatic Theatre to experience the cultural legacy of Sweden. Stockholm, the enchanting capital of Sweden, offers a captivating blend of history, culture, stunning architecture, and natural beauty. Whether it's wandering through the narrow streets of Gamla Stan, exploring world-class museums, or indulging in delectable Swedish cuisine, this vibrant city has something to offer every traveler. From its rich heritage to its contemporary charm, Stockholm invites visitors to embark on an unforgettable journey through time and culture.